Have you ever noticed that the moment you buy something, it suddenly becomes your favorite thing in the world? This isn't just luck, it's a powerful psychological trick called the mere ownership effect. First, let's define what this means. The mere ownership effect describes how simply possessing an item boosts its objective value. We see this in the broader endowment effect, where people demand more to give up an object than they would pay to acquire it. This happens because ownership triggers a mental shift. Once something belongs to you, your brain categorizes it as part of your identity or self-image. Losing it feels like a personal loss, which makes you value it significantly higher than strangers do. Interestingly, this effect applies to both physical goods and immaterial objects like information. Research shows that the mere act of owning a digital file or a piece of knowledge can make us value it just as highly as a physical product we hold. You might wonder why this matters beyond psychology. Understanding this effect helps explain market behaviors, like why sellers often price items higher than they are worth. Elsewhere, it's an attempt to align the price with their inflated perception of value. So, how can you use this? If you just purchased a product or service, emphasize the ownership immediately. Prime yourself with positive thoughts to enhance that feeling of possession and lock in the higher value perception. In summary, the mere ownership effect proves that value isn't just in the object, it's in the connection. By owning something, we don't just hold an item, we claim a piece of ourselves, which is why we cherish our things so dearly. Now that you know your brain tricks you into loving what you own, think about a recent purchase. Did it actually improve your life, or was it just the ownership effect? Let me know in the comments below.